Here's the deal. What if you could turn your knowledge into a digital product and start selling it in just 7 days? No warehouse, no shipping, no big team. Just you, your laptop, and an idea turned into income. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step system to create, design, and sell your first ebook. Even if you've never written anything before, you don't need to be a writer. You don't need tech skills. You just need a process, the right tools, and 7 days of focus. Here's what you'll learn. 1. How to come up with an ebook idea that people want to buy. 2. How to use ChatGPT to write the content fast. 3. How to design a beautiful ebook with Canva. 4. Where to sell it using Hotmart or ClickBank. 5. And how to promote it using social media for free. 6. Plus, mindset tricks to help you stay consistent and finish. This is a real business model, not just a side hustle. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to launch your first digital product from home, all in 1 week. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Your results will depend on the effort you put in, your niche, and your ability to take action. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a beginner-friendly system to help you launch your first product and gain momentum. Let's jump in. And on day 1, we start with the most important step, picking a topic that sells and using ChatGPT to write your ebook faster than you ever thought possible. Day 1 and 2, choose your topic and write with Chat. All right, day 1, let's choose a topic. And no, it doesn't need to be revolutionary. It just needs to be useful. 1. Pick a topic that solves a problem. Think about this. What's something you already know how to do, even just a little better than the average person? It could be how you meal prep to save time, how you lost weight naturally, how you built a morning routine, how you started budgeting, how you overcame anxiety, how you built a skincare regimen, how you learned to speak a second language. The key is solve a specific problem. Don't go too broad like self-help or productivity. Instead, go with how to organize your week in 20 minutes. How I saved $5,000 in 3 months using a money system. The 5-step skin reset routine for busy moms. Here's a hot tip. If you're not sure what to pick, just open ChatGPT and ask, give me 10 ebook ideas based on your interest or experience. Example prompt. Give me 10 digital product ideas based on my interest in productivity and journaling. Boom! Instant inspiration. 2. Let ChatGPT help you write it. Once you pick your topic, ChatGPT becomes your writing partner. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT to create an outline. This is just a prompt for reference. Don't use it as a final instruction to write your ebook. Create a 5-chapter ebook outline on how to meal prep for beginners. Step 2. Generate content chapter by chapter. Use a prompt similar to this. Write Chapter 1, Why Meal Prep Matters. Make it simple and easy to understand. Step 3. Add your personal experience or examples. You don't want an ebook that feels robotic. Add in your story, your voice, your tips. ChatGPT gives you structure. You make it personal. A bonus prompt. Act like a health coach and write an ebook section called How to Stay Consistent with Meal Prep with Practical Advice. In just a few hours, you can have your first full draft. So by the end of day 2, your goal is 1. A clear topic. 2. A complete ebook draft written using ChatGPT. But remember to add your real-life input. Next up, we make it look amazing with Canva. Day 3. Design your ebook with Canva. All right. Day 3, you got the words. Now it's time to make them look like a real digital product. And for that, we're going to use one of the most beginner-friendly tools on the planet, Canva. Step 1, create a free Canva account. If you don't already have one, go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. You can do almost everything we need without the paid version, but Canva Pro gives you extra templates, stock photos, and fonts if you want to go further. Step 2, search for ebook templates. In the Canva search bar, type ebook or lead magnet or even guide, and boom, You'll get hundreds of templates ready to go. Just plug in your content. Pro tip: pick a clean and readable layout, not something too graphic heavy. You want your ebook to feel clear, professional, and easy to read on phones, tablets, and desktops. Step 3. Add your content and customize. Now take the content you wrote with ChatGPT and copy-paste it into the Canva design, chapter by chapter. Adjust fonts, colors, and page spacing, but don't overcomplicate it. You don't need to be a designer. You just need it to be clear, clean, and branded. Branding tips: choose 2 fonts, one for headings, one for body text. Use no more than 3 colors: a main color, a highlight color, and a neutral. Add icons or visuals from Canva's free library to illustrate key ideas. Include your name, website, or Instagram handle in the footer. Step 4. Export as PDF. Once it's done, click Download and choose PDF Standard or PDF Print. Now you have a complete, professional-looking digital product ready to sell. Reminder: this doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be done. Clean design plus valuable content equals a product you can proudly sell. Coming up in day 4, we'll get your ebook listed on platforms like Hotmart and ClickBank so you can start making sales. Let's go. Day 4 and 5. Sell your ebook on Hotmart and ClickBank. Welcome to day 4 and 5. Now that your ebook is written and designed, it's time to put it out into the world and start earning from it. Step 1. Choose your platform, Hotmart or ClickBank. These are 2 of the most popular platforms to sell digital products, especially ebooks. They handle all the back end for you: payments, delivery, affiliate programs, and even taxes. Hotmart, great for Latin American and international markets. Supports multiple currencies. Built-in affiliate program. Free to use. They charge a percent per sale. How to start? Go to hotmart.com. Create your account. Click on Create Product. Select Digital Product, Ebook. Upload your PDF. Add a title, description, and price. Customize your checkout page. Hit Publish. ClickBank. Popular in the US and Europe. Great for health, wealth, and lifestyle niches. Huge affiliate marketplace. How to start? Go to clickbank.com. Register as a vendor. Go to the Create Product tab. Upload your ebook as a deliverable. Set up your price, product page, and delivery URL. Submit for approval. Get your product link. Pro tip: price your ebook between $7 and $27 to start. It's low enough to attract buyers, but high enough to make your first $100 fast. Bonus: activate affiliate sales. Both platforms allow other people to sell your ebook for a commission. That means more traffic, more reach, and you only pay when they bring in a sale. At the end of day 5, you'll have a finished product, a live sales page, a payment system, a link you can now promote on your social media. Speaking of promotion, up next, day 6, how to get your first sales using free social media strategies at work. Day 6, promote your ebook using social media. Day 6, it's time to sell. You built the ebook. You've uploaded it. Now you need people to see it and buy it. Step 1, choose 1 to 2 platforms to start. You don't need to go viral. You need to go visible. Start with where you already have an account or feel comfortable. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook groups, YouTube Shorts, WhatsApp status or broadcast list, super underrated. Focus on where your people hang out, and don't try to do everything at once. Step 2, create 3 types of posts. 1, educational. Share value from the ebook. 3 mistakes to avoid when budgeting. How I saved $5,000 in 90 days. 2, story-based. Share your personal journey. I created my first ebook in 7 days. Here's how. I used to overthink. Now I just publish and grow. 3, call to action. Invite people to check the link. Just launched my first digital product. If you want to learn how to, it's live now. Link in bio. Step 3, use short-form video to build trust. Use TikTok or Instagram Reels to show behind the scenes of you creating your ebook. Even a 10-second video flipping through the pages builds credibility and curiosity. Easy video ideas. What's inside my ebook? Quick scroll through. Why I created this ebook in 7 days. How I use ChatGPT and Canva to create a product fast. Step 4. Engage with comments and DMs. If someone shows interest, reply. Don't be shy. Say something like, "Hey, thanks for checking it out. If you need help getting started, just let me know." People buy from people, not brands. Show your face. Show your progress. Keep it real. Bonus. Add your link everywhere. Instagram bio. Use Linktree or direct link. TikTok profile. Facebook personal page. Pin a post. WhatsApp bio. Email signature. Make it easy for people to find it. One click. That's all it takes. By the end of day 6, you've done what most people never do. Created and launched a real product online. For tomorrow, we focus on a mindset that will keep you going even if you don't get instant results. Day 7. Mindset and consistency to win. Welcome to day 7, the most underrated day of all. You've done the work. You created the ebook. You launched it. You shared it online. But now you're staring at your dashboard thinking, where are the sales? Did I mess something up? Maybe this just isn't for me. Let's stop right there. The truth bomb. Most people quit on day 7. This is when most people give up, not because their product failed, but because they expected instant results from something they just started. You don't plant a seed and dig it up the next morning asking why it's not a tree. The real goal of this week. The goal wasn't just to make $100 in 7 days. The goal was to build your first product, to learn the process, and to realize that you can build again, you can improve. You now own a business that didn't exist last week. That's powerful. If you follow the 7-day challenge, here's what you'll walk away with. A completed ebook, a real digital product link, a sales page that can earn while you sleep, confidence to repeat the process again and again. Here's the mindset to keep going. Don't measure success by your first sale. Measure it by your first system. You now have proof that you're capable. So tweak the title, improve the cover, try a new platform, but don't stop showing up. Success comes from volume and consistency, not perfection. Your quick action plan. Want to keep growing? Launch a second ebook in 30 days. Turn your ebook into a mini video course. Create a bundle and raise your price. Start building an email list from day 1. You're no longer just a consumer of content. You're a creator of value. That's how real wealth begins. If you made it this far, you've already done something most people never do. You took your dream seriously. You started, you built, and you finished. And maybe it wasn't perfect. Maybe you got stuck on the design, or didn't know what to post on social media, or felt overwhelmed with the tech. That's okay, because this is just the beginning. Your first product is your foundation, not your final form. Now I want to hear from you. Which of the 7 steps would you love to go deeper on in a future video? Drop a comment right now. Step 2, writing with ChatGPT was tricky. Step 4, need help with ClickBank setup. Step 6, stuck on social media promotion. I'll be reading through every single comment and using your feedback to make the next videos 10x more helpful. And if you're serious about building digital products, growing your income from home, and creating real freedom, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. This channel is where we build business without burnout, one simple system at a time. Let's go from dreaming to doing. Your journey starts now.